Quinoa is a strategic and potential food that contribute to the nutritional and food security of humankind. Therefore, the investigation of this crop has spread to the other countries rapidly. SINDAN Organic Processing Export of organic quinoa under an inclusive business model and sustainable community. In our southern highlands of Bolivia, the most important region of quinoa's origin, SINDAN works to sustainable rural communities, ensuring their quality based on internationally certified standards and procedures to maintain the traditional, ancestral culture and to respect the Mother Earth integrity. Under a loyalty program, SINDAN cooperates to ferry rural producers with technical assistance from agronomists, certified seeds, bioproducts and financial resources in many cases. The organization is made up of the whole community.
The organization is made up of the whole community, and the company provides us with technical support in the field of production. We're committed to producing organic quinoa for the company SINDAN. In trading, we are very satisfied, taking into account that there is a price agreed additional amount, encouraging workers to work better, and care an environment. So far, we are very happy because we have a visit from the manager. It makes us understand that there is support for the producers, and that the company not only dedicated to market quinoa. I think that way is enjoyed by the organization in order to continue working in the future.
25 years of productive knowledge and experience results in 2 successful years of SINDAN Organic SRL, consisting of a strong team of highly committed to the organization's corporate vision, strengthening the leadership of the agro-export industry. Ecological management crop in quinoa reel, producing rural communities. The organic crop management begins from soil preparation to harvest and post-harvest grain. Animal and vegetable fertilizer we're applying without agrochemical synthesis. It is also applied by inputs for pest control, that is products obtained from the same kind that don't pollute the environment. Industrial plant. In quinoa processing, the raw material is strictly supervised from its transport. Each truck has a suitable register for organic products. Before loading, the entire vehicle is thoroughly inspected to avoid any contamination in transit. The bays arrive sealed. In order to benefit quinoa grains are deposited in this pit, a crackling, where impurities and larger waste are removed. Dust extractors allow a quick and clean process. Subsequently, the grain passes to the scarifier to extract all the saponina from the quinoa by using water. Saponina is a covering with bitter taste and a with FME aspect, having several uses in the chemical industry. Washed quinoa must pass to a centrifuge machine to dry in hot air subsequently.
In the washing section, we provide safety so that our product is safe and of a high nutritional value.
This production line can process 10 tons of quinoa every 8 hours, equivalent to a container of 20 tons per day. Here you had 2 sorting machines running with serratus mechanisms to differentiate grain sizes and densimetric machines to remove the stones or any specific element heavier than quinoa. To have homogeneous batch of product, we have an optical selector that separates beans by color, and finally to ensure safety grains, there is a magnet installed that retains any ferrous material. With this you get a clean, homogeneous and uniform size quinoa. The separator table has a fan incorporated that blows from below as while a tray mechanism is rattling grains. The specific gravity is lighter than quinoa, and it is carried away by the air stream, so the stone, that is heavier, pulls by gravity. Quinoa benefited in this plant is 99.99% pure.
I have under my supervision 39 people, which are distributed in 3 shifts. In our beneficiation plant, process a wide variety of products. The main product is the real quinoa, which comes in 3 varieties: the white quinoa, red quinoa and black quinoa. We also process other grains. At the birth of our company, we create and formulate challenges, and one of the challenges has been to obtain international certification, management systems mainly. Initially we achieved ISO 9001 certification, based on a quality management system. But since we are a company dedicated to the food sector, we plan to achieve certification with a management system for food safety, based on the requirements of ISO 22000, which was obtained in December 2011. In this way, we guarantee our customers and consumers product quality and safety. In this regard, we can mention that SINDAN, Organic SRL, currently has a system of quality management and food safety. We also have product certifications based on standard N, B 0038, which was extended by the company Norca. Not to be outdone, we also certified fair trade criteria, which company is certified Flosser. Also, many customers requested some specific certifications, such as kosher certification, which is applied throughout our range of export products, which are the most important certificates. And we certifications based on ensuring a product free of any chemical contaminant. In organic certification, within the framework of organic certification, we have the USDA NOP standard, directed to the U.S. market. We also have certification from the European Union, which is based on the Regulation 8342007. Also, being the first year, with the assurance that we are one of the first companies to obtain the seal of an organic product for marketing in the domestic market.
In our laboratory, we verify the quality of our products and we move into the investigation and development of new value-added food.
In these facilities, we receive the product and control, according to standard N, B038. We measure the humidity, amount of zepanina, grade, classified by size. Here we can see the degree classification, cracked, coated, whole grains, immature, contrasting color, sprouts, and coated. We send external analyses to INLASA, send samples to laboratories accredited as being INLASA, Celitas, ITA, IDIBICO, BREME parameters, microbiological parameters.
To meet the growing demand for quinoa in the domestic market, we have the ANN Tasteline product. With a subsidized price to the Bolivian consumer, so export quinoa is available to all. Occupational safety and motivation of staff is an issue that does not neglect SINDAN at any time. All workspaces are built considering human welfare and operational functionality of the worker.
I believe that business success in SINDAN was a leadership. In a vision of a leader, which, thank God, I know the family about 6 to 7 years ago. And I've seen the entire enterprise and all the effort they have made, not only to achieve leadership in the product exported today, but also to start a business, and that business is as successful as we are seeing it today.
Currently our products are exported to England, Italy, Israel, Canada, Germany, Belgium, Netherlands and the United States. Our production volumes have increased sales expressively. These pictures explain this results. To all the people, sometimes we do not find a job, but in reality it is in our hands. I say to these people, to these professionals, these entrepreneurs, start working besides the quinoa. In other area. We must explore other products, must be entrepreneurial. Go forward, look to the horizon, daydreaming. I think it's the message I can give all my fellow Bolivians. Teamwork will enable us to further expand our brand to new continents through international fairs and exhibitions with the quality that characterizes us. Organic SINDAN industry is leading off processing and it exports organic products, taking care of Mother Earth and its sources, balancing the biodiversity ecosystems.